As DIY metal fabrication surges in popularity, even desk-bound typists and gamers are picking up torches to build custom PC rigs and metal projects. Selecting proper headgear requires careful evaluation. This guide assesses top welding hoods based on lens switching speed, switch type, impact-resistant shell build quality, viewing area layout, and overall long-term safety value.
Product number 1. Lincoln Electric K3034-4 Viking 3350 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with 4C Lens Technology, Matte Black, Extra Large. The Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 stands as an industry benchmark for professional welders and serious enthusiasts who demand unmatched optical clarity and maximum coverage. Featuring Lincoln's proprietary 4C lens technology, this hood eliminates the traditional green tint, providing a crystal clear, true color view of the arc, puddle, and base material. This enhanced clarity dramatically reduces eye strain during long fabrication sessions. The highlight of the 3350 is its extra-large 12.5 square inch viewing area, 3.74 by 3.34 inches, offering a wide field of vision that eliminates blind spots when working in awkward positions, achieving a perfect 1111 optical clarity rating across all 4 critical categories: optical class, light diffusion, variation of luminous transmittance, and angular dependence. This helmet ensures zero distortion across the entire glass surface. 4 independent arc sensors detect low amperage TIG arcs reliably without flickering. Comfort is driven by the pivot headgear design, which balances weight evenly across the head to reduce neck fatigue. The shell is constructed from high-impact nylon, built to endure harsh shop environments and heavy spatter. Powered by a combination of solar cells and a replaceable CR2450 battery, the K3034-4 Viking 3350 delivers elite optical performance, heavy-duty durability, and exceptional long-term value for serious metalworkers.
Product number 2. ESAB SAB 0000000800 Sentinel A50 Welding Helmet. Black low-profile design, high-impact resistant nylon, infinitely adjustable, color touchscreen controls, 3.93 inches by 2.36 inches viewing lens. With its futuristic halo-inspired aesthetic, the ESAB Sentinel A50 brings cutting-edge design and premium ergonomics to the welding floor. Crafted with a low-profile aerodynamic shell made from high-impact resistant nylon, the Sentinel A50 deflects heat and spatter while easily fitting into tight spaces where bulky helmets cannot go. The Sentinel A50 features a 3.93 inches by 2.36 inches high-clarity lens with a true color spectrum that keeps the weld puddle well-defined. What truly sets this hood apart is its internal full-color touchscreen control panel. This intuitive digital interface allows welders to adjust shade levels, 5 to 13, sensitivity, and delay times effortlessly. It includes memory settings for saving custom preferences across different processes like TIG, MIG, and stick welding. An external grinding mode button located on the side of the helmet lets you switch from welding shade to grind mode with a single push without taking off your gloves or lifting the hood. The 5-point halo headgear offers infinite adjustability, distributing weight symmetrically so the helmet feels virtually weightless during extended shifts. For fabricators seeking futuristic styling, touchscreen precision, and top-tier comfort, the ESAB Sentinel A50 is a standout investment.
Product number 3. YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, 1x1x1x1. True color solar-powered welding hood with 2 arc sensors, blue light blocking welder mask for TIG, MIG, arc, and grind. For budget-conscious fabricators, home hobbyists, and entry-level welders, this YESWELDER Auto Darkening Hood offers high-end optical clarity at an exceptionally affordable price point. Achieving a top-tier 1x1x1x1 optical clarity rating, this helmet utilizes true color technology to reduce the harsh green hue typical of budget hoods, delivering a clear, realistic view of the weld puddle. The lens features specialized blue light blocking technology to protect vision against arc glare and eye fatigue. Equipped with 2 sensitive arc sensors, the auto darkening filter switches from light shade 3 to dark shade 9 to 13 in a fraction of a millisecond upon detecting an arc. It offers seamless versatility across TIG, MIG, stick arc welding, and grinding applications through an easily accessible internal mode switch. The helmet layout is lightweight yet durable, reducing strain on the neck during prolonged garage projects. Powered by solar cells with a battery backup system, it provides hassle-free operation without worrying about sudden power losses mid-weld. While it features 2 arc sensors rather than 4, its crystal-clear lens, top-rated optical score, and budget-friendly price tag makes this YESWELDER hood an extraordinary value for casual metalworkers and DIY builders. Product number 4. Welding Helmet Auto Darkening True Color Large Viewing.
Welding hood, solar/rechargeable battery powered. Wide shade 4513 with 4 arc sensor. Optical clarity welding mask for TIG, MIG, arc, grind. This universal true color auto darkening helmet balances advanced 4-sensor arc detection with a wide viewing area, making it a reliable workhorse for shop environments and outdoor welding projects. Built with 4 independent arc sensors, this hood eliminates darkout failures caused by obstructed sensors when welding out of position or doing intricate pipe fitting. The large viewing lens employs true color optical technology, providing a crisp, natural view of the weld puddle and heat-affected zones without green tint distortion. The shade range spans from a clear shade 4 rest state up to heavy shades 513, allowing precise adjustments for delicate low-amp TIG work all the way to heavy-duty plasma cutting and stick welding. Sensitivity and delay knobs are positioned internally for protection against spatter. The power system features dual solar cells backed by a rechargeable battery setup, ensuring long operating life and quick power retention. Its lightweight polymer shell provides impact protection against flying sparks and debris, while the ergonomic multi-point headgear allows custom sizing for a secure fit. Combining 4-sensor reliability, a broad shade range, and crisp true color optics, this hood is a highly versatile tool for multi-process welders.
Product number 5. YESWELDER Auto Darkening Welding Helmet with Side View, 180-degree Panoramic View, 1111 True Color Solar-Powered Welder Hood. Wide shade 5-9-9-13 welder mask for TIG, MIG, arc, cut, and grind. LYG Q800D. The YESWELDER LYG Q800D revolutionizes spatial awareness in the shop with its 180-degree panoramic viewing system. By combining a large center auto-darkening lens with 2 auto-darkening side windows, this helmet provides complete peripheral vision, eliminating the tunnel vision feeling associated with traditional welding hoods. The main front lens boasts a perfect 1111 optical clarity rating with true color technology, ensuring accurate color rendition of the puddle. When an arc strikes, the main lens darkens automatically across shades 5-9-9-13, while the side windows auto-darken to shade 11, preserving peripheral visibility without exposing your eyes to harmful glare. This feature is invaluable when working around busy shops, overhead cranes, or moving equipment. 4 arc sensors power the rapid auto-darkening system, while internal control dials allow fine-tuning of sensitivity and delay times. The helmet supports MIG, TIG, arc, plasma cutting, and grinding modes. Despite its expanded 3-window glass layout, the shell remains surprisingly lightweight and well-balanced on the head. For fabricators who prioritize maximum situational awareness and wide panoramic field of view, the LYG Q800D is an innovative game-changer.
Product number 6. YESWELDER Large View Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Blue light blocking, 1111 true color, solar-powered welder hood mask with 4 arc sensors. Wide shade 3/5-9-13 for TIG, MIG, arc, cut, and grind. Rounding out our review list is the YESWELDER Large View Auto Darkening Helmet, a feature-rich hood engineered for heavy-duty multi-process welding. Combining a large viewing field with advanced 1111 optical clarity, this helmet provides an expansive canvas for monitoring complex joint setups in wide weld beats. Equipped with 4 premium arc sensors, the auto-darkening filter responds instantaneously to arcs down to low TIG amperages. The lens incorporates blue light blocking technology and true color optics, significantly dampening eye fatigue while displaying natural hues. The shade range covers light shades 3/5-9 for low-amp TIG and plasma cutting, up to shades 9-13 for heavy MIG and stick applications. The durable helmet shell resists heat and physical impact, protecting the face, ears, and neck from arc radiation and hot slag. The multi-adjustable pivot headgear features a sweat-wicking band and ergonomic tension dials to keep the hood secure during active movement. Powered by solar power with long-life battery support, this YESWELDER Large View model delivers top-tier optical clarity, 4-sensor precision, and broad shade versatility for all-around shop performance.
Selecting the best welding helmet comes down to balancing optical clarity, field of view, and sensor reliability for your specific fabrication needs. Whether you choose the industry-standard Lincoln Viking 3350, the touchscreen innovation of the ESAB Sentinel A50, or the 180-degree panoramic visibility of YESWELDER, investing in a high-quality hood protects your eyes and improves weld precision. Pick the helmet built for your workflow and strike your arc safely.